Hi, I'm John, and I like to relax.
He really does. And I'm Tammy, and I like to explore.
She really does.
And I'm Austin, and I like to repeat.
He really does.
And together we are Relax, Explore, Repeat. Hey guys, we're in the Jeep and we're taking a drive. This is the Lake Apopka Wildlife Drive. Lake Apopka is the third largest lake in Florida. It's the lady at the gate told us not to feed the alligators and not to get too close to them. So
I was planning on giving John to one of the alligators.
yeah.
Dang it.
It's 67 degrees and sunny. She said the alligators will probably be out basking in the sunlight to warm up a little bit. So we're going to drive along. We've seen lots of all kinds of different ducks, different colored, really pretty birds, if you like birds.
Some I've never seen before.
Yeah, really popular area for bird watching and wildlife viewing if you're in the area. Yep.
Catch you on the flip side.
Of course. A bunch of ducks. It's a one-way street trail is that runs, maybe it's 11 miles. I think it might be 11 miles. The speed limit is 10, so it takes about an hour if you don't stop. There's a walking trail that you can take if you don't feel like walking. Well, I think we're just gonna drive. You have to be off the trail by 5 o'clock, and the front gate closes at 3. They're open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and all federal holidays. There's a different bird right there, other than beside the duck, that gray crane-looking bird. They're all pretty vocal. Go. There we go. Huh. Oh. Just darted after a fish or something. It's fast. Bunch of ducks down there. I like the ones with the red. That black one with the white bill. That's cool looking too. Oh, there's an alligator.
Where?
Right across there,
Oh,
on the other
wow.
side. There's a gator in the wild right there. Natural habitat. Look at that. That's cool.
Do they eat duck?
I don't know. There's another alligator across the way. This one's a little harder to see. That first one was actually, looked like it was posing. Where did he go? I think it's right there. Yeah, that's where it's at. Cell phone zoom. Yeah, not great. Anyway, gator number 2. That's a pretty white bird right there, jumping after fish. It did sound like a monkey. Those are the monkey ducks. That crane. That crane right there had an eel or a snake in its mouth a minute ago. Oh.
That one that's still standing there?
Nope. The one that flew away.
Oh. Oh, there's alligator swimming.
Oh, no way. An alligator swimming.
There's other people getting out.
That's cool.
Found
Me
this.
too. I'm ready to retire this camera.
Getting ready to get out, John.
Climbing out of view. There he goes. Okay, that's good. I wanted to get his face in the sunshine. That was right beside the road. I almost missed that one. It's right there. Yeah, come on over here, Austin. Look out your window. Right there? This is the pump house up here ahead of us. We can go left or we can go right, I think, here. Or this is where you can park and walk, I think. Okay, here's the bridge. You can go, if you go straight, it goes inland a little bit, or you can stay left. At this point, we can continue along the north shore or take the marsh spur. So we're gonna go up through the marsh, see what's up here. I see an alligator in the water up here. Oh, it just submerged. Way to go. Come on, gator. Oh, there it is. Popped up. Yeah, that's an alligator on the road. That one's in swimming. Looks like we're gonna pull up on one that's sitting on the shoulder. This is cool. This is what I wanted to see. These are our first live gators that we've seen.
Why don't you get out one and pet one?
In the wild. Yeah. This one's looking
Did you see it already?
to be pet. Here, stop here. This one is about 6 feet away from me. Enjoying the sunshine.
Austin, do you want to sit over here? Sit Indian style over here?
Where's it moving? Okay. Cool, gator. See you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
I had to. I couldn't resist. Well, that was definitely worth the price of admission, for sure. Admission is free. It doesn't cost anything to take the drive. So if you're looking for some wildlife in Florida, this is a good place to be. We've seen about at least probably a dozen gators by now.
Okay, here's the croc. No, it's not a croc, it's a gator. And he's eyeballing me. You've got to be very cautious around these gators because you never know when one might see you as a snack.
They smell, and he's looking at me. This guy riding his bicycle, they call them Meals on Wheels. Bears, yeah, for bears and alligators. There's an audio tour. You can look it up on your cell phone. I think it's on their website. There's an alligator right there.
Okay, there's an alligator over there. They eat fish and snakes and birds and tourists, so you might want to keep your distance.
A monkey bird.
Scoot forward.
Well, I was trying to see it.
There's an alligator. Stop. Smile. Click. Good job, buddy. Good smile. There's a baby alligator up here, a small alligator on its mama's back. It's like right here at the pull-off where they pay the alligators to sit here so that the tourists can take pictures. Afraid we weren't going to see many gators, that they would just be few and far between, but Seems to be lots of them out here, just out of the water, sunning themselves, soaking up the heat. And 20 feet down the road, there's another one. Half in.
I got a fight.
Yeah, an alligator bite would be cool. Yeah, there's a biggie. There's another gator. Good sized gator. Oops. Look, there it is. There's a little gator on the side of the road. I can see it. Where'd it go? Whoa, we're very close. That one looks friendly, Tammy. See if you can pet it. I've seen a lot of birds like this particular species with its wings spread. I don't know if it's just enjoying the sun or if it's trying to dry off or what, but I've seen a lot of them doing that. Hey, what you doing? Drying off? Okay. Yeah, you said he was drying off, so yeah, they do that to dry off. There's another alligator up here. I was gonna say that we've seen tons of alligators, but I wanted to do a quick calculation. I believe we have literally seen more than 2,000 pounds of alligator here on our tour. So yes, we have seen actually tons of alligators today. And it's been awesome. I really enjoyed this drive. I think there's a rock. Guys, it's a rock. Tammy spotted a rock. Is it a rock or is it a mound of dirt? I don't know. Amazing. You did it. Anyway, so I saw this creature crossing the road, and it moved like an otter, but we were probably 100 yards away, and it looked pretty big. So I don't know. I don't know if they have big otters.
El chupacabra.
It was not a chupacabra, Austin. It wasn't a skunk ape, but I don't know what it was. We couldn't find it when we got up to that point, so we'll never know. Maybe it was a chupacabra or a chupacobbler. We're getting close to the exit where we leave. This may be our last gator. Sitting over there with his tail in the water. We really enjoyed this drive. I had no idea we would see so many alligators. It was awesome. That crane right there had an eel or a snake in its mouth a minute ago. Oh.
That one that's still standing there?
Nope, the one that flew away.
Oh.
Huh. That was cool. Too bad I didn't get it on camera. This could be our last one, our last gator of the trip. If so, we'll see you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
We just finished the Apopka Wildlife Trail. It's a one-way path. You can't get lost. Just follow the signs through the park. I think they said it was 11 miles. We saw tons, literally tons of alligators, more than 2,000 pounds worth of alligators. They were everywhere. In the manatee video, I suggested viewing on an overcast day so there was less reflection on the water. But if you're here in Florida in the winter and you want to see alligators, go on a sunny day because the gators will be out warming themselves on the banks of the canals and stuff. So we saw more alligators than I've ever seen in my entire life, and I enjoyed it. But you?
I thought it was cool. Yeah,
Oh.
it was neat seeing
I enjoyed it.
Monkey in the back seat?
2 thumbs up.
All right, cool. That was cool, and I hope you enjoyed it too. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.